Setup and installation. To get going with the Philips Hue in your home, you'll need at least one connected light and the Philips Hue bridge, which connects to your router and allows you to communicate with your smart bulbs. This makes the 2-bulb bridge equipped starter kit $69.99, £59.99, 144 Australian dollars and 95 cents, the cheapest entry point into the range. But you're foregoing more advanced features such as smart light switches and color-changing bulbs. For our tests we used the next step up, a 3-bulb starter kit that included the company's color-changing bulbs. Despite the fact that this is still a fairly basic kit, this retails for a much more substantial $199.99, £149.99, 289 Australian dollars and 99 cents. Once you've bought the starter kit, things get a lot cheaper. However, as you only need one bridge to control your whole setup, additional lights and switches can all be synced with the same bridge as you build up your home system. If you're looking to jump into Philips Hue, then this color-changing starter kit is probably the best way to do it, since it will allow you to play around with Hue's more advanced features without investing too heavily in your initial setup. Outside of this starter kit, you have a huge number of options for how to proceed. You have got additional bulbs that are available in a wide variety of different form factors, from candle bulbs through to spotlights, lamps and lighting strips. Philips also sells a couple of different switches, which allow you to control your lighting without getting your phone out of your pocket, although, yes, we appreciate this is something you can already do with your existing lights. We'll get to that later. Installation will vary with the complexity of your setup, but we found it to be about as painless a process as it could be. Once you've got the bulbs seated in their fixtures, you'll need to make sure they're powered on in order for them to be discoverable.